Hello, family. Thanks for tuning in. This is Mother T Kitchen. Do you know that cooking at home gives you more nutritional advantage? Cooking at home means that you have complete control over the ingredients that you use. You have opportunity in choosing that which is beneficial to your health. One thing is making your food delicious. Another thing is turning that delicious food into a healthy meal. Are you a foodie, a lover of good food? You have passion for cooking, but you don't know how to go about it. Mother T Kitchen is an online and offline kitchen whose dishes out simple, healthy, delicious, and clear recipes. Join Mother T Kitchen today to explore your cooking experience with diverse cooking methods. Food is where heart is. Capture that heart today using a nice meal. One cannot think well, sleep well, or love well without eating well. No one is born a great cook. One learn by doing. Take your everyday cooking to a higher level from today with Mother T Kitchen. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like, share so that other food lovers like you will see. Don't forget to equally leave a nice comment after watching. Let's meet in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye.